Everybody up for Streator Loyalty. To the band, you sound great today. Thanks a lot. All right, this is an extra pep assembly for those teams that are still playing in the state playoff series. That would be cross country and football at this time. So, without that, I'd like to bring out our cheerleaders and do a cheer. Come on, cheerleaders, let's go.
We're so happy to see them and hear them at every game, and we want to see more of you on Saturday. So please come out, be a super fan. All right. This is our year. Alright, this last year is a message to you High. When they enter the dog pound on Saturday night, it is their last game. Cheerleaders, let's send this message to you High. Please take the floor.
The cross-country team will be running in the sectional championships at Illinois Central College. These runners have run hundreds of miles to get to this point. Let's bring them on the floor. Our runner, sophomore Annie Richards. Come on out, Annie. Our freshman boys runner,